In primetime news this evening, Portland residents already counting their losses as heavy rain continues to impact sections of the island.
Guilty former PNP MP Dwayne Vaz admits to breaching Integrity Commission law. And experts have their say on whether social media jobs are sustainable. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, the tourism industry started the year with a bang, and I'll have the details from the tourism minister later in the business day.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, the Minister of Finance has called a meeting of horse racing stakeholders tomorrow to try and resolve an impasse which escalated on Saturday. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
Oh my, and Romain is also here with a preview of what's coming in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. Now, we're still expecting more of those showers and thunderstorms across the island over the next couple of days. We're expecting the rainfall to peak on Thursday, where amounts of nearly 50 millimeters should be accumulated across sections of the east.
Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your views on the suggestion to assign one pastor to every school to help curb violent behavior?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.